Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can upload bulk products in your WooCommerce WordPress website. So first of all, let me show you, this is my demo website where I want to add some products. Let me log in into my website. So here you can see /wp-admin. You can log in into your WordPress website by adding /wp-admin. After that, here you can see in the dashboard I have installed some plugins. To add e-commerce functionality in my WordPress website, I need to install WooCommerce plugin. So let me go back in the plugin sections and add a new plugin. Here I can search for WooCommerce plugin. And after that, let me click on install button. Here you can see 7 million plus active installations. Then activate the plugin. After that, the next step is, let me reload the page. And now here you can see products option. So now to upload the products, make sure that you have a CSV file. So let me right click, then properties, and here you can see the file format. And file size is 24 KB. So if you want to upload the products less than 300, you can easily use WordPress product importer. So this is free of cost. Now simply we can select the products file. Let me select from my laptop. And after that, simply click on continue button. Then scroll down, and here you can match field names. For example, name should match with the name. Then scroll down, make sure that you have filled out all the fields. Then here you can see run the importer. Click here. But now if you want to upload thousands of products, how you can do that? Sometimes you will get error. So now you need to install a plugin. Just you can go here, and after that you need to get this plugin. This is called product CSV import soon. So you can get the plugin from WooCommerce official website. And after that you can install. Here you can see, let me upload the plugin file, this one. Make sure that you are installing the plugin file in zip format. So now plugin is installed. Let me activate this plugin. Simply click on the activate plugin. And after that you can see the plugin configuration setting under the WooCommerce. Click here. Then now you can add CSV file. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the two options for simple products, then variable products. Just you can select the file. So let me select this one, short file. Then upload file and import. After that you can match these fields. Then scroll down. For example, you want to match this field, this one image field. Scroll down, and here you can see image option. After that, click submit. In this way you can easily upload bulk products in your WordPress e-commerce website.